shit. That's right. This is what we do, folks. Hello, Vortex. I've been thinking about the world that I live in compared to the world that they live in. Now, this has always been the case. And I used to think that it was a problem. That I found their world to be so problematic. People think that I would be trying to wreak havoc. Just asking a question that ought to tell you something. If you can't ask a question, maybe the world is the problem. And I've said this before, but I'll say it again. I'm lucky that this is the world that I live in. I'm lucky to have this option. So many, they're so plugged in to sin. They're so plugged in to Satan and everything that he wants from them. It's not that hard for him. He really has the easiest motherfucking job in the world. You know, there are lots of trees and bushes and nature everywhere. Like, they try to control everything. And it seems like the farther we try to get away from our human nature, the more we prove that it exists. I mean, just look at the LGBT community. They're like living proof of this shit. Because in every single gay couple, you have a man in the relationship and you have a woman in the relationship. Even if it's two men or two women. Why do you think they call it a top and a bottom? Okay? There's no denying this. You can talk about anything as long as you talk about sex, right? I feel like if I mention this in this particular way, it would make people listen. Or maybe they'd still get offended because they're a bunch of candyasses anyway, but, you know. It's worth trying though, right? No, I'm not excited about anything in relation to a social media site. Whenever people talk about technology, it appears to me that they're brainwashed. That they're brainwashed. That they're brainwashed. Yeah, they're seriously excited about technology. That should tell you like the state that we're in our society, you know. I guess it. Thank you, Lead Company. Thank you for the beautiful turn signal. We appreciate you, Lead Company. Promise. I'm not just making shit up. Okay. Look. That's the Lead Company. That's the Lead Company, and they're very good at applying turn signals.